So you're 18 years old and you're wondering how you're gonna make your first $100,000. Well, that's not gonna change if you don't start to changing with the core principle of the problem, which is your habits. What are the 3 habits that literally worked for me and made me make my first $100,000 a year as an 18-year-old? So I came up with these 3 habits. So make sure that you guys pay attention and you execute. Habit number 1, and one of the most impactful habits: learn how to put your phone on airplane mode. You don't have to be checking your phone every single time. You don't have to be checking your phone or your messages every 5 minutes. You don't have to get a new notification every 10-15 minutes about something nonsense. You have to understand when to lock in, find the business, find the skill set, get so good at that skill set, and become something by building the best you. If you start focusing on the nonsense, on all of the noise, on all of the social media, notifications, apps, whatever it is that you're getting from your phone, it's just distracting you. It's distracting you and it's literally gonna keep you there. It's gonna keep you stuck. So you guys have to make sure that you turn that off, you put it on airplane mode, and you lock into your business. Habit number 2. The habit number 2 is something that I still do to this day, and I've been doing it since I was 18 years old. It is write down the list of the things that you have to get done for the next day, and always have it way before you go to bed. Always write your to-do list about the things that you have to knock out regardless. It has to be something regarding to your business or your career that is gonna get you farther in life. Don't just write down anything such as my to-do list for today is to go get groceries at Target or to go get this errand. No, don't do that. Write 3 elements that is gonna get your career, a skill set, or your financial farther in life, and then those are going to be prioritized right at the top of the list. You have to make sure that you value and take this list as your holy grail of every single day. And if you don't accomplish every single item in this list, you fail that day. That's how I take a look at it. So I'm gonna give you an example of how I do it. For example, if I have to have my list for tomorrow and I have to make a YouTube video and something about my business, I would do, okay, to-do list for tomorrow, and I would do, okay, first I have to record this YouTube video. Okay, second thing on the list, I have to go take a look at the barbershop and make sure to message my clientele. And the third thing on the list is find ways of marketing my business so I can start attracting more customers, and then I will start to find ways to post more content on social media, etc., etc. Those are the 3 things valuable that I would do every single day in order to accomplish the list for that day. Obviously, this is just an example. I just came up with it as of right now, but I hope it kind of makes sense as to what you have to do. And last but not least is habit number 3. Have goals planned out step by step. Break down your goals. Break down your goals by chapters. If you are a person that usually every single year, if you start to get into the habit of making new goals for yourself, make sure that you're just not only making goals, but you're also breaking it down into smaller chapters so you can start feeling like you're actually taking you somewhere. You cannot just say, oh, I'm gonna make more money next year. Okay, but how are you gonna make more money? You have to do something that makes you more money. So what would that be? In my case, I would be, if I want to make more money next year, I would have to find a way that can literally affect my income. But I cannot just wish. I have to plan. I have to break it down. So what are the things that makes me the most money? It would be more customers, more marketing, more sales, more eyes on my business, etc., etc. And I would break down how to get those from the habits that I'm going to build upon them. So that's how you actually put goals. You actually break them down so you feel like now you have a plan. Because if you just have a goal, you just have a wish, you just have a dream. But if you have a plan, a strategy on how to actually achieve that, now we're talking. So that's the habit number 3, is to have your goals planned out to the T. So if you start implementing these 3 habits, I guarantee that are literally gonna shift your life just the way it did for myself and for my business. If you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more videos about my life, my business, anything regarding to my life, just message me in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to see more of me next, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna make the best videos for you guys. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. My name is Isaac Vera. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn the notifications bell on. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.